So my mom, she's making flour tortillas by hand, and she gave me the ingredients for them, so I'll probably post. I don't know if I'll post them somewhere. I don't know, but she, from what I can remember, she had like 5 pounds of flour. Oh well, nomás lo tocaste un poquito. All-purpose flour. I don't know. It was the one. Harina de trigo. It could be any kind of flour. It doesn't matter. I think this one doesn't have salt in it. I think it's, yeah, because she doesn't like it when it has salt. So 5 pounds flour, and then I think how many water? 5 cups of water. 5 cups of water. 5 copas de agua. Y luego 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 2.5 cups of oil. It could be any kind of oil, but she uses this one the most because that's, I guess, her distinct style, and that's basically everything she uses. And the water has to be hot. Like, it just has to be a little bit hot. Like, you pour it, first. I know a lot of people don't like it when they use hot water for anything.
Así debe de estar la masa.
Saying this how the tortilla. But first, she's kneading it at the moment. And I was saying with the water, you can just pour it and then use a big spoon to mix it and keep mixing it until it becomes not like exactly like that, but until like you can grab the dough and like not feel like it's too hot for you, because she's used to doing this a lot. And I mean, you can use probably one of those big machines that mix everything, but this is just basically how she does it. She doesn't have a machine for that, so she does want one though. And just keep doing it for like probably like ¿Cuánto tiempo lo haces?
Como 15 minutos.
15?
Wow. Media hora tortillas. Ya.
It's like a really good workout too.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's already been like kneading it for a long time. So 15 minutes of this, I guess, if you want your dough to be really like, I guess, to give more good flavors and everything, mix everything good. But she just makes them onto little balls, and until she's done with the balls, and after that, my mom, her hair, she's like, oh fuck it, I don't care, I'm just gonna put my hair like that. She used to work with a chef too, so she's just like used to this. It was like chile stains, because we were making chicken earlier.
Chicken para el pollo en la mañana.
We're wrapping the chicken in tin foil. Everybody loves that chicken too. Oh yeah, I forgot it was in here. And it's like this whole pot is like probably the size of my arm, like half of my arm. And me, my sister, and my mom took like, ¿cuánto damos haciendo eso?
Una hora.
¿Una hora?
Menos, una media hora. 15 minutos, 20 minutos, 30, como media hora.
I don't know, I think it was like an hour. Cause she put it all in a sauce and let it marinate. And then after that, she asked me and my sister to wrap it on a bit in tin foil. Usually she uses this tin foil that's really like.
Después les doy la receta de pollo.
She uses this tin foil that's specifically like from this big store. I don't know if it's Sears or something, I forget. But the tin foil that she uses is like one that chefs use, because they're like a lot more stronger. But the one she got, today was kind of like cheap, so it was kind of ripping. So we had to like probably like a dozen of them. We had to wrap a dozen of them twice. And she was saying that she wants to give the recipe for this one soon. I guess cause like I wanna like start like make this food when she's like not here anymore.
¿En vivo?
No.
Voy a poner.
I don't know how to do that on my phone. Mostly because I have Android phone.
No me pongan la cara a mí, más pongan la cara.
Ay, ¿verdad? No te gusta cuando tienes...
No tengo la camisa, tengo la camisa.
Pero es porque estás haciendo comida. Es que no comida como desde las 7. 6? No, no. ¿Qué hora es? Son las...
A las 6.
Son las 12.
Comencé desde las 6.
She's like she doesn't want to show up in the camera because she looks like ugly right now. But I'm like, well, you've been cooking since like 6. And like you've just been like trying to make this and the tortillas, and so it's like 12 at night already.
De una bolsa de masa salen 100 tortillas.
100? So a bag of so this whole recipe comes with like if you make the exact size as how she's doing it. Well, she has sort of small hands, but I guess all ladies should have like probably the same size of hands. They're like 100 tortillas, but it should be around there, if not like maybe 80 or 90. But yeah, she just like sits most of the time she just sits here or stands here doing it. Just finished making all of them into like tiny balls. You don't really even have to do it like that. You can just keep it where you were kneading it. But she basically uses this to flatten it, and this has to be turned on and hot, probably for like maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds. And they're supposed to come out flat, perfectly flat. You also don't want them to be on here too long. But first, you're actually supposed to put some oil on them. On this thing, a little bit of oil. You can use a piece of paper, or you can use one of those fancy brushes. And you can either grab a plate or a cloth to put them on. So my mom's just here, traditionally just by hand, flattening each and every one of them. I think that was like 5 seconds. 5 segundos, ¿verdad? And you're supposed to separate each of them. Well, separate each of them so that they don't stick to each other. And look how they get. You're also not supposed to let go on for like too long because they can get cooked. You can't let it get cooked too long, so then they get really ugly. So I think I'll come back when she's done all of them and show you how you're supposed to like right after you're done with this, you can cook them. Like you can literally just put them on a skillet and just flip them. Not skillet, but like I forget, but it's the English term for it. But whatever you use to cook your tortillas. But you can basically just put these to get cooked. But I'm gonna show you how my mom how she like puts them away in the fridge so that they don't get too sticky, like too much. And I think I'm gonna count how many there are in a bit. So she'll probably count them. Yeah, I'll be right back. Showing you how she cooks them. Well, every Hispanic who ever or every person who ever likes to cook tortillas. You can see how that it's pretty much universal. But the way you want the tortillas is to be like a little bit more like brownish spots, but you don't want them to look like light like that. Like it has to be really light. And when they get puffy, it means that they're getting warmed up and good. So if you can see, you can see them get like a little bit more lighter on the sides. But the more darker they get, the more tastier they get. Of course, you don't want them burnt, but I think just probably. Mama, agárralos. And that's how you make them. Oh my god, the thing is making noises. She's only making them right now to show you though.
Yeah.
She's making about 7 of them just to eat right now. And you can eat these like with anything. You can make them tacos or burritos, or you can even eat them with coffee. My uncle. And look how they inflate. These sort of if you've never made tortillas or anything like that, you don't just leave them to cook. No, they get really like burnt if you do that. And you should definitely keep them like a little bit between high or medium. You can even keep them like a medium if you want, but if you want to cook them a little bit fast, but never like too high because they can get burnt really easily.
Ahorita vamos a terminar. Una pausa porque no hay todas las tortillas y ya se luego todas terminadas.
Mom was like forcing me to show you how tortillas is. It has to be like, if you can hear the sound, then that's when it's good. It's kind of hot, but it was a lot hotter when I tried taking a video of it, but I forgot. Continue the video. But yeah, these are really good. You can eat them just by themselves. So I'll be right back right when she's putting these in the fridge. Because it's good as hell. I'll make your tortilla, Mom. Bye. Now we're back, and my mom she's putting each and every one of them stacked on each other. In this house, this is how you can put them in the fridge conveniently. ¿Cuántos días tienes ahí? ¿Estás contándolo?
No.
No.
No soy. Son 8, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25.
Okay, I'll be right back till she finished counting these. It's finished now. ¿Cuántos salieron?
80.
80. So we ate like 7 comimos.
Okay.
So we like 87 tortillas in total. 2 stacks of me here. And and she just lets them cool down so she can put them in the fridge. And that's basically everything you need to know just to make these tortillas. Tortillas that are made by hand by my mom. ¿Verdad, Ma?
Si quieren, nada más me ponen allí, me gustó. Y me manden un mensaje.
Sí, un mensaje. Please. Well, what do YouTubers say nowadays?
La receta que quieran.
Oh yeah, she says she's gonna put probably maybe more videos about her recipes. I don't know which ones. If she likes this video, the way I recorded it, I'm probably gonna videotape it better next time because the way I did it was just really fast. It's just like 12 at night. It's already 1 at night, and I was just like, oh, I'll just record my mom do this video because I want to watch it for future means when I'm not in the house. So I guess like, comment, and subscribe if you want to watch more of my mom making tortillas. She makes really good tortillas though. These actually came out really like not since she didn't put a lot of salt, they weren't really salty like at all. And so these just came out like if you ever had normal flour tortillas, the ones from the store, they don't come out, they don't taste like that at all. I'm just saying that right now because I hate with a passion store flour tortillas. So compare those to these. Those tortillas are not good at all. But these are like the best tortillas I've ever had. And I'm pretty sure every Mexican, Hispanic kid are just like, my mom's tortillas are the best, but nobody can beat my mom's tortillas. Mine specifically. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope it comes out exactly the same. They're actually really big too. These are how big these are, like my hand. But anyway, thank you for watching. I feel like you actually watched the whole thing, and if I edit this like funny, hope you enjoyed that. Anyway, have a good day, have a good night, have a good morning. Goodbye.